Hey there, folks. Figured I'd bring you along with me on this one. Kind of already got started halfway through, but I'm fixing a leaky faucet in my bathroom, and hopefully I got the right parts. Yeah, just got back from Home Depot, not a sponsor, but hey, they have no idea who I am. But see if I got the right parts or not. Let's see here. Get you mounted here somewhere. That's great as view. That'll work. And I'm sure I'm going to be doing this all wrong, and everybody will have 100 other ways to do this that's better than the way I'm doing it, but this way works. And I am not a plumber, don't claim to be one, but hopefully as long as I got the right parts, I won't have a leaky faucet anymore, hopefully. Got to find it. Hopefully that's off. Put this thingy back on, because that part just slides in. Ignore my phone. Forgot to turn the notifications off. That gets annoying. This is obviously the hot side. Piece slides back on a new insert cartridge, that's what they call it. Clean this up. And no, I don't have the right wrench for this, so yeah, I'm using pliers. This isn't the Hilton. This is a cheap bathroom sink. And that's it. I should be able to turn the water on now and see how big of a mess I can make. It's not speeding up water yet. So let's see here. Apparently I gotta put both sides back together first. See, like I said, not a plumber. These pieces out of here. Don't know what I'm doing. Just kind of learning as I go here. Let's see. There's a couple extra pieces on that part that the hot side did not have, and they don't stay in the cartridge too well, so I had to fight with it a little bit there. Screw that on. Tighten this down. Oh, that works. Without spewing everything everywhere. Let's see. Tighten the set screw back now. Just backing off that set screw that I apparently didn't tighten down in the right spot. Try this again. Alright, hope I did that right. Find out. Turn the cold water back up. Did do that right. This back up. Right.